They have set the agenda, and everyone, including their political opponents, are now seen aping them. BJP and the Congress may want to deny that the Aam Aadmi Party effect has in fact had an impact on them, but with Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje cutting down on security, Bhupinder Singh Hooda giving special electricity subs, Congress MP Sanjay Nirupam demanding power prices be slashed in Maharashtra, the fight over who's copying whom is only getting more bitter.
Within days of swearing in and meeting the key poll promises, the Aam Aadmi Party is certainly showing the way for its contemporaries.
मैं तो कह ही रहा था जी राजनीति करना हम सिखाएंगे इनको.
When the capital received its New Year's gift in the form of cheap electricity, the Congress in Maharashtra too expressed its desire of going the AAP way.
दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट अगर ये कदम उठा सकती है तो कोई भी सरकार कर सकती है इस प्राइवेटाइज्ड एरा में, इस रिजीम में. तो इसलिए आप कह सकते हैं कि आम आदमी पार्टी का प्रभाव है, आप इसका निष्कर्ष निकाल सकते हैं. लेकिन मेरा मानना है कोई भी व्यक्ति, कोई भी सरकार, कोई भी पार्टी अगर कहीं कुछ जनता के हक में और हित में अच्छा निर्णय ले रही है तो उस निर्णय से प्रेरणा लेके हमें भी उस दिशा में कदम उठाना चाहिए.
Congress MP Sanjay Nirupam reaching out to the state Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan, demanding a similar power rate cut in Maharashtra. On one hand, the Aam Aadmi Party claiming credit for setting the agenda.
We are teaching them how to do it, and if they are following, instead of the Rahul Gandhi and Modi politics, they are doing people politics, and if we are teaching them the people politics and they are following it, we are quite happy.
Whereas on the other hand, the Congress strongly denying any credit to the Kejriwal brigade.
Anybody has done copycat economics in India. Everyone has copied the Congress party, whether it's the BJP in states or the AA party today. Everyone has copied the Congress party.
Even the BJP claims there was no attempt to take lessons from Team Kejriwal.
Neither the Gujarat government nor the Madhya Pradesh government or the Chhattisgarh government has done any such thing as copying the ridiculous policies of the Aam Party. And you say take Vasundhara reducing her security level. She has only reduced what the previous Chief Minister had. She reduced it to the level she had it before.
From Haryana to Rajasthan, where Vasundhara Raje Scindia scaled down her security cover, the Aam Aadmi Party is certainly leaving an impact. But at the same time, there are experts questioning Arvind Kejriwal on his populist measures.
Aam Aadmi Party has to understand that to what extent they will subsidize, and we want to hear as consumers.
They may be on a roll dishing out poll promises, forcing the rest to follow. But what remains to be seen is whether the politics of copycat economics is a viable alternative. Bureau Report, Times Now.